I'm not gonna lie, there are so many incredible and useful video editing tools out there. But the best one that I've found so far that is working for me, that has a ton of value, is CapCut. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to download CapCut for PC. Let's jump to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how this is done. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see on my screen here, this is how easy it is to download CapCut for PC. And all you have to do, open your browser and type in CapCut, right? CapCut, that if you will see it there, and just type downloads, right? And you don't even have to write PC, but you just need to do CapCut download. Now, as you can see, we're at the top of the page here, you can see so many information about CapCut, and you can even see there's a direct link to downloading CapCut. So if you hit the CapCut download here, it will take you to the main website of CapCut where you can do the downloads. And here you will see information about CapCut downloads, etc. Right, you have so many information here about CapCut. And as you can see on the main page here of CapCut, you have so many information here about CapCut. So you can feel free to read through and to learn more about the tool. Now for downloading, you can already see on the top where you have the navigation bar that you can download for mobile or you can download for Windows. You want to go ahead and you click download for Windows. And what that is going to do for you, as you can see, it is downloading CapCut for Windows here for me. And basically, once this is done downloading, all you have to do is just double click and run the installation, and you'll have CapCut download on your PC in no time. And that's how easy it is, guys, to download CapCut for PC. And yeah, you can go ahead and start having some fun with your video editing. And there you have it, guys. This is so easy, so simple. You can easily download CapCut and start making and edit some really amazing videos. Now, if you found some value within this video, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe, support the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time. Bye.